I gleefully told my teacher I'd finished my Anvil straps, and he said, "Oh no, you haven't." So the next step is to unbolt them, take off half of each or both straps, heat them to a black heat to expand them, put them back in place, bolt them up, and then cool them, and they'll shrink and make it even tighter. Now the trick here is, first of all, to be able to handle one strap when it's at a black heat, and I might try gloves for that. The other option is to just tack weld a handle on. And the second thing is if I can't get half of one of the straps to stay on, is to drill a small hole in it, stick a screw through, and that'll hold it in place while I do the rest of the work. And then eventually I hope to get the stump inside the smithy and get the anvil on it. Yes. Right, this is going to be fun. More water. This is hot. Now all I've got to do is get it inside the smithy, and that ain't a job for today. Oh, I've finally finished completely, I hope. When my teacher told me about using expansion to tighten it up, as it were, it struck me that, having come from a large city, I'd seen this done on buildings when I was younger. Well, not in my lifetime, but I'd seen the results of it being done on buildings. What they used to do, the building had cracked or subsided, was put a big bracket on each corner, put a very big heavy iron rod in between, and this might be like 20 yards or 30 yards long. They'd wrap it in straw, the iron rod, set fire to it, which would expand the rod, and they'd do the nuts up on the end of the brackets till they were tight, and then cool the rod, and it'd literally bolt the building back together. But I forgot I knew that.